So, good morning. Um, Trying something here. Don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna show you quickly how I have my UDM Pro set up with a failover link. So first things first. So I'm in the UDM dashboard, and I'm gonna go into settings. This is the new internet or the new interface, and I have two connections here. So I have my primary link, which is my SFP Plus connection. So it's a 10 gig link. It's not quite a 10 gig internet connection, but anyway. And this is connecting to my main public IP address. And then I have a second WAN link, which is my failover link, and this is Raspberry Pi running MPTCP router here. So the MPTCP router or MPTCP router running on a Raspberry Pi. So this has a couple of 4G links connected to it, along with the cable modem, and this just basically acts as a failover link. The primary link is my main internet connection here. So if we go into the secondary link here, you will see that load balancing is set to failover only. Now, unfortunately, on the UDM Pro, failover only is the only option. I would have liked to have the option of actual file or actual load balancing, but it's not available. If we go into the unified devices, there's another feature that you need to set here. If I can find my UDM, it is. So you can see WAN IP1 and WAN IP2. By default, WAN 1 is the 1 gig Ethernet port on the front of the UDM. WAN 1 is the 1 gig port, and WAN 2 is the 10 gig port. In my case, I wanted to switch these out. So to do that, 2 seconds, where's that done? Ports, you've got WAN 1 and WAN 2. So under configure interfaces, port 9 is WAN. So what you need to do, so by default this is swapped. I can't do it now because obviously I'll take my internet connection down. You would have WAN 1 is set as port 9 and WAN is set as port 10. You would disable it, both of them, and then swap them over. Hit save and everything works. So if you have if you have your primary link then SFP plus, you would then have that set to WAN 1, even though here it's shown as WAN 2 and here it's shown as WAN. The actual ports are now set that WAN is the 1 gig port, WAN 2 is the 10 gig port, but they're split here, or they're swapped over. So this now is the primary port or the primary connection, and this one is the secondary connection. Bit of a complicated way of doing things, but it seems to work. I've been happy with this. I had an issue the other day where the cable modem fell over and was disconnected. And I was down for a couple of hours, so that's why I spent some time trying to figure out how to get this piece up and running. So I don't know why that one is flashing. Oh, that's probably because it's telling me that's the primary link. Huh, interesting. Yeah, uplink and flashing. Okay, so there we have it. Like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and then we will talk to you again. Thanks.